How to blur out portions of a video in Canva. So the first step is to simply upload your video in Canva. So you can do that by going to uploads, then select videos, and then simply click on upload files, and you can simply click on the video to upload the video on your Canva design. I'm gonna use Canva stock videos. I'm gonna use this on here, and the next step is to resize the video. So I'm gonna resize the video, and in order to blur out portions of a video, so basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply, so let me resize it first like this, and let's say I want to blur a portion of this video. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to elements and then simply search for blur. Now the next step is to go to graphics, so not photos, graphics, and then you're gonna have to simply choose any of these depending on the video, and then simply click on any of these. Now all you have to do is simply play around and look for different designs, and then simply add them wherever you like, and basically that's all you have to do in order to blur out portions of a video in Canva. So as you can see, if you want, you can click on edit photo here and then select blur, and then I'm gonna select the whole image and I'm gonna increase the intensity. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.